Hi, my name is Barry Griffin from Canon UK, and it's great to be back here at KitPlus 2022. We're really excited to be able to show off some of the latest products that we've brought to the marketplace. Two of the most popular cameras that we're showing off is the Canon C70 and the R5C. We're having a lot of people asking us the key differences between these cameras because they are the latest cameras that we brought out. They're very similar in ergonomics, but they do give off a different look and feel depending on the production and how you're using them. So we've been here today talking about the key differences that people want to know between the cameras, demonstrating some of the menu features, some of the sensor technologies and the frame rates and all those things that people want to be able to do, and what Canon have been able to deliver to the marketplace with these cameras. One of the key things that's really exciting, especially about the C70, is we did a firmware update with this camera recently, earlier on in the year, that has now given this camera an internal RAW codec, and a lot of people now want to shoot with RAW. Not only that it can do RAW internally, but it can do it on SD cards. So it's the first camera in the world that allows you to shoot in a RAW codec on affordable media. But it has a wonderful sensor, can shoot 4K up to 120 frames per second, shoot in a RAW codec and different compression rates, has interval shooting for doing your time lapses, all those things, built-in ND filters, built-in XLRs, all the controls that you'd want in a cinema camera, but in such a small package. And the R5C, just to give a little overview on that, that's kind of the next step from our R5 camera. And why we brought the R5C out is for the video-centric customer base. That is an 8K RAW camera, full frame. So something that's so small that can deliver 8K up to 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second if you're using mains power in the smallest package that you can get. So that's what we're doing today and what we've been showing off, and looking forward to speaking to more people.